अंतर्गत फिजिओथेरपी ह्याचं आमचं पहिलंच वर्ष आणि डेव्हलप पाटील एज्युकेशन सोसायटी गेली काही वर्ष वेगवेगळ्या सामाजिक आणि वेगवेगळ्या घटकांना मदत करण्याचा प्रयत्नात नेहमी प्रयत्नशील असते.
Dr. Gunashekaran, Principal, Dole Patel College of Physiotherapy. Having 16 years of golden teaching experience in Maharashtra, by the grace of God, and the vision of Honorable Chairman Sir, Sri Shagar Dole Patel Sir, first step towards the medical, paramedical sciences, we have started this institute, Dole Patel College of Physiotherapy. I welcome on behalf of our management and all our faculty members. This physiotherapy course is of 4.5 years course, 4 years course and 6 months of internship period. We have affiliation under Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, Nasik, and we have got a council affiliation from Maharashtra State OTPT Council.
Hello everyone, welcome to Dole Patel College of Physiotherapy Physiology Lab. I am Dr. Diksha Gonkar. I am an assistant professor in this college. So welcome to Physiology Lab. As you can see, we have spacious labs with well-equipped equipments. So first year students are going to learn about various blood smears, blood groups, blood examination. Also they are going to learn about physical activity. They are going to learn about respiratory system, cardiovascular system, nervous system. As you can see, we have various instruments like we have stethoscope, we have BP apparatus, we have digital BP apparatus, we have various tuning forks, then we have various pipettes, smears. So this all is going to include in our first year physiology syllabus. So I hope students enjoy here, and you know the physiology forms a foundation for further learning of second year and third year subjects like pathology, pharmacology and medicine. So all the best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to our electrotherapy department. Myself, Dr. Pooja Sharma, I am here as an associate professor and this is our electrotherapy lab. As you can see, our lab is well equipped with proper cubicles and everything. Today I am going to tell you about the importance of all the equipments which we use in the electrotherapy lab. This is ultrasound machine and this is muscle stimulator. This is our IFT machine. This is known as SWD, means short wave diathermy, which we use to treat the pain, aches, basically the chronic pain and the inflammatory condition in our patients. So in first year, our students are going to be learn about all the basic things in all the equipments and the machines as well as the testing of the machines. So hope you all will enjoy your stay in our electrotherapy lab during the first year. Thank you.
Hello, myself Dr. Atika Nayanpurwala. I am cardiorespiratory physiotherapist and I am working as assistant professor at Dole Patel College of Physiotherapy. So today we are going to see exercise physiology lab. So there are various equipments I would like to introduce, that this is incentive spirometer, nebulizer and jet nebulizer with nasal aspirator, respiratory muscle trainer and oxygen mask. So exercise physiology lab is used to assess the acute responses and chronic adaptations to the exercise. So in collaboration with the other systems like body composition and neurovascular system, we assess the variety of systems to and their response to the exercises. In the COVID-19 situation, the pulmonary rehabilitation is very important. So for the pulmonary rehabilitation, we have different equipments which used to strengthen the lungs and even the physical fitness capacity. So I hope that our exercise physiology lab will help in post-COVID recovery. Thank you.
This is our kinesiotherapy and kinesiology lab. Okay, there is a saying called exercise is a medicine, in which we can very clearly understand what is the benefit of exercise towards human health, good health. In this lab, we have interesting things and funful things are there to be learned. Learning with a fun. Because we've got many gadgets out here. Example, we can have the objects to increase the joint range of motion. Joint's function is that it has to move. When the joints are moving properly, almost 95% the problems of human body is taken care. And also, we have the equipments or gadgets to improve the person's mobility. When unable to put more weight on the bones, they have to use these kind of activities. And also, this lab consists of so many other interesting gadgets to improve muscle length, that is the flexibility, to improve muscle strength, that is what the contracting capacity, and also the muscle endurance. So this lab, students and parents, we're going to have a funful learning, and in this lab we're going to have a lot of things happening. At the same time, we've got a cubics, and in the cubics we're going to have good amount of therapeutically designed protocol to be practiced. At the same time, we'll have a wonderful table here that increases the muscle strength of especially quadriceps and hamstrings, which will be really a good thing for anybody who's wanting to be standing on the foot. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Our college has a tie-up with Tilak Ayurvedic Mahavidyalaya in Rastapet, where our students will be going and studying human anatomy dissection on the body and will be understanding the structures in the morning hours. Also, in the evening time, they will be able to come here and revise whatever they have studied. This is a human skeleton, which is also a primary part of physiotherapy, where we have to understand the bones, the structures, and everything related to anatomy. Happy learning!
Hello, I am Dr. Ajay Manishikari. I am Associate Professor in this college. This is our classroom where our physiotherapy students will learn about the basics of the theory. In this classroom, we have AVA, which is really a good method for the physios to understand the concept and visualize it.
Hello, I am Dr. Akshay Khatawkar, working as assistant professor in this college. Right now I am standing in central library. This is our huge central library having ample of space for reading physiotherapy books. So I hope students will take benefit of this facility provided by Dole Patil College of Physiotherapy.
So the main demand or basics of physiotherapy practice is clinical practice. Our college is attached to Colombo Asia, Sahyadri Hospital, Hadapsar, and Shri Hospital, Kharagpur. So where ample of clinical practice physiotherapy students can get.
We have all very good infrastructure and excellent teaching faculties with more experienced theoretical and clinical teaching to all our dear students. Thank you so much. Come, join, have a funful learning. God bless you.